Okay guys, it's me Imad. So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to interface or how to simulate a 4-digit based 7-segment display with that of Arduino Uno. First of all, we need to go to our simulator. So our simulator is an online simulator with the name Wokwi. So we need to click on Wokwi. And here we got our website link, that is wokwi.com. So click on it. And here we got our microcontrollers. 4 of the microcontrollers are there: Arduino, STM32, ESP32 and Pi Pico. So we need to click on Arduino Uno. As it is an online simulator, so it can take a bit of time to open our simulator's main page. We have to wait for a while. Okay, now we got our next page, and here we need to click on Arduino Uno. Okay, now our page has been opened up and we got our microcontroller. We need to click on this plus sign, and here we will write TM16. Okay, 1637, and it is our 7-segment display. It has 4 pins, that is clock, digital input output, VCC and ground. We need to connect the VCC of the 7-segment display with the VCC of Arduino Uno. We also need to press Ctrl and minus sign so that our components will become small. Okay, so we will, okay, so we can write it like this. Okay, like this. Now we need to connect our ground pin of 7-segment display with that of ground pin of Arduino Uno, and here it is. We need to connect the clock pin of the 7-segment display with that of pin number 13, and here it is. Pin number 13 is also having a built-in LED connected with this pin. So now we can connect it like this. And we need to connect DIO pin with P pin number 12 of Arduino Uno. So this is our basic circuit. Now we can press Ctrl and plus sign so that it will become a little bit big again. Now we will come towards our coding, and first of all we have to import our library. And obviously all the functions and all the things that are needed to simulate the 7-segment display, we have to write TM1637 display.h. So what is this actually? It is our library. And for what we need this library? Because all sort of functions and all sort of things that we are needed to run this 7-segment display must come from this library. So we need to go to library manager and we will write here TM1637 and we need to click on, and now this has been added to our workspace. Again we will go towards our code and here we write constant CLK is equal to 13, or we can simply write clock. Constant clock is equal to 13. So what it is actually? Now we have declared a variable and variable name is clock. It can store any sort of integer value inside it. And now at this time it has stored this 13. Means that wherever we will write clock, it means 13. Okay. Now we will write const int dio is equal to 12. Again the same thing, that wherever we will write this dio, it just corresponds to this 12. Int u is equal to 0. Now we have declared one more variable which has stored 0 inside it and its name is u. We can change the name of the variable and we can write name of our own choice like u_1, u0, or even we can write abc, whatsoever we will want. Now we will write TM1637. Now this is our main class. And now we will write display clock, dio. So now this is our main class and display is the object. So we have, if we want to fetch the whole class, we will just use this object, that is display, and it has passed two of the parameters, which is clock and dio, that is 13 and 12. Okay, so simple as that this is our main library or class, and if you want to fetch something which lies inside this class, so we will use this object. Now while setup just runs for one time. So here we will write display dot set brightness. Now you got what it is. Now display is our object of this class, and dot set brightness is actually a function. Okay, is actually a function, and function can be fetched with the help of this object. So here we can write 7, which is the highest brightness value. So now our value has been set, and now we will go towards our while loop and we will write display dot show number dec, and here we can write u. Now what is this? Now again display the same object and dot show number decimal of u, means that whatsoever will be written inside this u this is our variable, means that again this is our object, and we have fetched one function lies inside this library. Okay, so with the help of this dot operator and object we can fetch this function, and this function will accept just one parameter, that is u. Okay, and here display dot show number dash, and here we will write delay of 100 and u plus plus. Now what is this? Now we will get a delay of like 400 here. So whatsoever the u is, it will be displayed on the 7-segment display. And now delay of 400 millisecond, and then u will be incremented. Now we will run our circuit. Now it is compiling. Again, taking a bit of time. Okay, they said you, okay, we did not place this semicolon. Okay, again run it out. Now you can see that we got our output, that is the u variable values are being shown on this display. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can use the 7-segment display with the Arduino Uno inside Wokwi Online Simulator. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.